In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apollo in Gumloop 2026, step by step. Let's start inside Gumloop. Open the site and sign in to your workspace so you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel. Look for the section labeled Apps. This is where Gumloop keeps all of your integrations in one place, so you can connect tools like Apollo and manage the permissions they use. Go ahead and click Apps to open your integrations page. Once you're on the apps page, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll find a button that says Connect New App. Click that to start a new connection. A catalog or search modal will appear. In the search bar, type Apollo to quickly find it, or scroll until you see the Apollo logo. When you find Apollo in the list, look to the right of its name and click Connect. This begins the secure authorization process between Gumloop and Apollo. Next, you'll be asked how you'd like to customize the scopes for Apollo. Scopes are simply the specific permissions the integration will have, such as reading your user profile or performing limited searches. You have two choices here. You can give default permissions, which is the quickest path and works for most users, or you can control scopes to fine-tune exactly what Apollo can access through Gumloop. If you're not sure, default permissions are typically safe and balanced. If your organization follows a least privilege policy, choose control scopes and deselect anything you don't need. After you've made your selection, click Continue. Gumloop will now redirect you to Apollo to complete the sign-in and authorization. On the Apollo login screen, enter your account credentials to authenticate. If your team uses single sign-on, choose that option. If two-factor authentication is enabled, have your verification method ready. The sign-in happens on Apollo's secure page and your credentials stay there. When you're signed in, click Login to confirm. Apollo will present the authorization screen and then send you back to Gumloop. You should now see Apollo listed in your apps with a connected status. If you ever need to adjust permissions later, you can return to the apps page and update the connection settings. That's all there is to it. You've connected Apollo to Gumloop, set the right scopes for your needs, and completed the secure login and authorization flow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step as you connect your own account.